Hi, baby. It's so cute. Oh, Rick is here as well. Rick is in. Oh, I saw your fish. Whose fish is that again? Is it baby Kai or baby Rick?
Maybe
What's the name of your baby brother?
Lula.
Oh, do you want to draw?
Yes.
Okay, I will give you 2 minutes to draw. Then later on, we will start with our class, okay?
Going on that.
Oh, by the way, how are you, baby Kai and baby Rick?
Yeah.
How are
I'm
you, baby
happy.
Kai? Oh, hungry? Happy? Okay, did you eat already?
Where's my place? Yes.
Did you eat already, baby Kai and baby Rick? So now what did you eat for today?
I
I mean this
session.
evening.
Yeah.
Okay, what is that?
Vietnam.
Ah, okay. Is it
Yeah.
yummy?
Wait, and you will see.
Okay, okay.
Oh dear.
Oh dear, what happened, dear?
How the was.
Okay, so let's start with our lesson, okay?
No.
Oh, I will give you one last moment, okay, babies?
Okay.
Okay. Oh, are you going to finish the star first?
Yes.
Okay, I will give you time to finish that one. And once you're done, let's already start, okay?
Okay. This is better and easy.
Okay. So baby Kai is the one who's making the store, right?
Yes.
And baby Rick is, I don't know, what are you doing, baby Rick?
Making the flag.
Ow. Okay, so are you guys ready already?
No.
Oh
We
no.
no we finish.
Okay, finish. How about you, baby Kai? All done?
Finish.
Okay,
One. Not finished yet. Huh?
okay. Huh, not yet?
Oh. Hey.
Hey, what
Silly.
happened?
Hey. Okay. Don't be
Okay,
stressed.
so let's stop this one and let's already continue. The teacher will be sharing the screen and then let's start with our lesson. Okay, can you see my screen right now? Can you see my
No.
screen, maybe?
Job, doctor, police officer,
Okay, so
teacher,
first
help,
we
manager,
have all
employee, visitor.
about. Okay, we have the get ready from Unit 12. Listen and point to the words. Listen again and say the words. Then later on, I will be asking you about your dream job.
Page 116. Unit 12. Get ready. Words. A. Listen and point to the words. Listen again and say the words.
Job. Doctor. Police officer. Teacher. Help. Money. Clothes. Water.
Oh,
Job. Doctor. Police officer. Teacher. help,
Help.
money, clothes,
Clothes.
water,
Water.
Help.
Okay, so first, let me ask you, baby Kai, what is your dream job, baby Kai? Again, what is your dream job? What do you want to be when you grow up, baby Kai?
I don't know.
Oh, you don't know yet? Like, do you
No,
want to become a police officer, a teacher, a nurse, a firefighter? Okay, so do you have at least options on what do you want to become someday?
uh,
Yes, baby.
firefighter.
Oh, firefighter. Why do you like to become a firefighter, baby Kai? Okay, why do you like to become a firefighter? Again, why do you want to become a firefighter?
It is fun.
Oh, okay. How about you, baby Rick? What do you want to become in the future?
I don't know.
Oh, you
I
don't know
don't have
yet?
I
Oh, you
don't have a
can.
dream of it.
Oh, why you don't have a dream of it?
I dream about football.
Oh, you only want, like, in the future, you only want to be a star player or something?
Yes.
Oh, oh, that's so nice. Okay, that's okay. All right, so now, oh, can you erase that one?
Okay.
Okay. Okay, so now let's already continue. So we have here the job, a doctor, police officer, teacher, help, money, clothes, and water. So look and read the word from A, then write your answer. Baby Kai, I want you to answer number 1 until here. Baby Kai, this is yours, okay?
Okay.
Baby Rick, I want you from here, this one to here, okay? Oh, no, 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 no. I will be giving number 1 to Baby Kai only because it has already 3 answers. So, Baby Kai, I want you to answer number 1. Baby Rick, I want you to answer 2 and 3 because you have 4 blanks, okay? All right, are you guys ready?
Okay.
Ready?
Let's see. Okay.
Ready, everyone?
Teacher.
Yes, baby? Yes, baby? I don't hear you, baby. Yes? Hello? Oh.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Con làm đây.
O- Okay, so baby Kai 1, baby Rick 2 and 3.
This money. My father is a teacher.
All right.
And
How about you, baby Kai? Where is your answer, baby?
what for me? I'm looking.
Oh. Okay.
My uncle is a. Lấy ra còn tôi phải lấy cho anh. Lấy gói vào đây là thịt. Mày muốn đi. Rồi rồi.
Okay. Police officer. How about the mother?
What for me?
Yes, baby. Uh-huh. Wow, what happened?
Erase mine.
Oh, why did you erase yours?
I will erase it. Someone erased me.
Oh, I think it's not erased. Maybe it was just covered like this. Okay, stop doing that, baby Rick. I can see your name right here, okay?
Okay. Nút nha. Anh làm nút nha. Okay.
Okay, hold on.
Cái đồ nha.
Hold on, baby. Okay, you only have one left. Okay, baby Kai.
I'm finished already.
Oh, you finished already? My uncle is a police officer. How about my mother? What is that? I cannot see it because it's white.
Write it up here.
Okay, can you write it again? Because I cannot see it, baby. It's white. Write it again.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, hold on. Oh, I cannot yet see it. What happened? What did you do? Okay, all right. So I know that you remember your answer, baby Kai. Okay, can you read no your answer, baby? Number one. Number one is
My father is a teacher. My
okay.
uncle a is a police officer. My mother
Okay.
is a nurse, a doctor. They each have a good job.
Okay, how about you, baby Rick? Can you read yours?
Okay. My jacket, pants, and what? Those are old. I need
I
new
need.
clothes.
Uh-huh.
The woman in the store helped me. I have money. I'm hungry and thirsty. I buy a water and water too.
All right. Okay. So if you have money, baby Kai, what are you going to buy with?
to buy a car for my dad.
Oh, you want to buy a car?
Yes.
Oh, wow. How about you, baby Rick? What are you going to buy if you have some money?
I'm going to buy a car for my dad.
Okay, so what are you going to buy?
A car for my dad.
Also a car?
Yes.
Oh, that's so expensive. Okay. All right, so now let's already continue. Can you stop doing that? I cannot see the screen.
I'm sorry.
Oh, do you want to draw?
Yes. I
Okay,
like
wait.
drawing.
Okay, let's not share the screen. I mean, let's have this one instead.
Dear.
Here. Ready?
Yes.
Okay, what are you going to do for tonight?
A car.
Okay, you can draw your each car and put a name on it. Oh, stop it, baby, stop it. You need to draw and then it needs to be like this. Okay, wait. Can you stop it for a while?
A car. Because
Okay,
it's too big.
okay, just wait, baby, just wait. Stop making your drawing first, okay?
I,
Baby Rick, I want you here. Baby Kai will be another side, okay?
okay.
Okay, ready?
Stop drawing.
Ready?
Yes.
Okay, and you can start now. It's a house, that's not a car.
I tricked you.
Oh,
Who's that?
who?
I can't write anymore.
Okay, you can do it again.
So I will erase it and write it again. 1, 2. Finish. No, not this.
Okay, are you going to put some?
Hey, who's that?
Okay, whose house is that?
Pick.
Uh-huh. Whose house is that?
Rick.
Okay, how about you, baby Kai? What's yours? Also a house? Do you make also a house?
You will see
Are you?
soon.
Oh, are you going to color it?
Yes.
Okay.
Circle. This one's for this.
Uh-huh. There
This
are a lot of
circles.
windows. Whose windows are that? Is that
Rick.
Kai?
Not me. That.
Oh, there are flag.
Wait for me. I read the window first. Oh no! Who was that? Ray.
Oh, stop doing that, baby. Don't erase. Okay, okay, okay. Okay, all done?
No.
Not yet? All right. Everything's done?
Not yet.
Okay.
Let's erase
Okay.
all of this.
Why do you have a lot of windows, baby Kai?
Not me.
But I can see your screen name. It's Kai. Hong Bak Kai A1A. Okay. So that was baby Rick?
No. Teacher. I don't
Because
know.
because I can see all of your names.
In where's
Okay, all done?
no. My picture is no flats. Who take my picture?
I don't know.
No, not me. Because I saw Rick's name on that and I see a gun.
Uh-huh.
Okay, let me try. I can
Okay,
erase
okay.
them. There's no
Wait,
sign
let
of
me try
mine
to check.
here. Oh. See? Who around it?
Okay, that's okay. You can just continue.
There's no my sign here. I can erase.
Oh, what happened? You cannot erase?
Yes, I cannot erase the picture. Maybe it's not mine drawn on the wall.
Oh, what
To make the
happened?
picture disappear.
All right, that's okay. That's okay, baby. That's okay. So you can just continue that one, and that's okay. Don't worry about it. Okay? Because we have it here recorded. So anytime soon, we can just check we can just check it later, okay?
Because I can't stop.
You cannot
Look,
you
I
cannot
can't erase.
Oh, what happened? Why it's already erased?
I don't know. I
Oh,
don't
that's
erase
okay.
anything.
Who erased it, Ma?
I can't erase mine.
All right, that's okay, baby. That's okay. Okay, wait, I will stop sharing my screen for a while.
Huh?
Okay, here.
How about whiteboard?
Yes. Okay, can you see my screen right now?
Oh, this is a whiteboard.
Oh, wait. Okay, so I will be giving you an assignment for today, okay?
Oh,
I want you to draw your favorite house together with your favorite car, okay?
Okay.
And take a picture of it and submit it by tomorrow, okay, baby? Okay, so
Teacher.
for tonight, thank you so much. I hope that you enjoy our little time. So goodbye for tonight and see you again tomorrow. Bye bye.
Teacher.
Bye.